Olive oil is a widely recognized superfood around the world thanks to the numerous benefits that it can provide the human body. It contains antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties that can enhance functionality of several of our body systems. With that said, the question remains, can olive oil help with weight loss? That is exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. Olive oil is fairly high in calories, so you may be surprised to hear that it's linked to lower rates of obesity. One study from Spain divided participants into two groups, those who used olive oil for cooking and those who used other oils. After 6 years, researchers measured their weights and found that the subjects who used olive oil had lower obesity rates than those who used other oils while cooking. The reason is, olive oil helps your body reduce its lipotoxicity, which is the amount of lipid cells in your body fat. This can lead to an overall decrease in the amount of fat that surrounds your organs. Olive oil is also rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to help with fat loss as well. Not to mention, olive oil is known for providing several other positive health benefits as well. Some examples include, it can reduce heart problems, boost antioxidants, reduce inflammation, have anti-aging effects, improve brain cognition, help with diabetes, have antibacterial effects, enhance your skin, and provide relief for constipation. These are just a few of the many reasons why you can consider adding olive oil to your daily diet. Of course, just as long as it's recommended by your physician. With that said, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. But real quick, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully what you learned in this video was helpful, and it goes to show just how beneficial olive oil can be when it comes to improving your overall health. If so, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you want to dive even deeper, we do have a full guide on our website. I will drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.